All right, grade 7. So when we are trying to solve an equation, what we are trying to do is we are trying to figure out what the value of the unknown variable is in order to make this statement true. So for example, we are trying to figure out 3 times something is going to give us 36. And if we remember from, we'll make an equal sign this both. If we remember from math, whenever we have a variable that is beside a number, it means times. There would typically be a bracket in between here, and we know that something beside a bracket means that it would be multiplying these two together. So I'm just going to rewrite it as 3 times p equals 36. There we go. Make a 30 and let's make a 6. So I know that because we are using our guess and check method, what I want to do is I want to choose a value for this p and substitute it. So let's let p equal, we know it needs to be 36. I can multiply it by something. Let's have p equal 10. I'm going to put that in a different color. We will let p equal 10 and we're just going to substitute. So I'll try this. If p equals 10, I'm just going to plug that into my equation. So 3, there, I was thinking number 3, times p is going to give me 36. So again, I'm just substituting the number 10 where that p would be. Equals 36. All right, so I know that 3 times 10 is going to give me 30. And 30 does not equal the same thing as 36. So p can't be 10 because my left side does not equal my right side. So unfortunately, we know that if I chose to let p represent 10, I would get a number that's too small. So again, we're guessing and checking. Let's try another one. Let's let p equal to something that is larger than 10. So let's try 20. So we're going to let p equal 20. And we're going to try again. Move this over here. I'm going to get my marker. So again, my formula is 3 times p equals 36. Draw a number over here. Perfect. So I'll draw my equal sign in here. Alrighty, so all I'm doing is I'm substituting 20 for the letter p. So I'm going to take my 3 and I'm going to multiply 3 by 20. Put this in here, put a bracket in there. So I'm going to try, there we go. I'm going to be taking my 3 and I'm going to be multiplying it by 20 and I'm going to see if that is going to equal the same as 36. So I know that 3 times 20 is going to give me 60, which, okay, is definitely not 36. So that is not going to work. So I definitely know that 60 does not equal 36. So let's try one more. I need a number that is between 10 and 20. Let's try 12. Let p equal 12, and we'll see what happens. Let p equal 12, and we'll see what happens when I substitute that. Alrighty. Okay, I'm going to try this in a different color. So now we have said that we are just going to substitute. Let's try red, sure. So again, my original formula is 3 times P, beautiful, a P misspoke. Let's draw the 6 for P. So 3 times something is going to give me 36. All right, beautiful. We have a 36. So I'm putting my 3 in here. I'm putting in my brackets a 12. I know based on my mental math that 3 times 12 actually does equal 36. So I'm going to show all of my work. We're going to make sure that we are drawing the 36 grade 7 so you can see that. This is a 6. We'll try to make that number a 6. Fantastic. All right, we do know that 3 times 12 gives us 36. Amazing. So if I let P equal 12, it will give me 36. Fantastic. So I know that the value of P, so therefore the value of P will equal 12. Let's write that. Therefore, the value of P is 12. And that grade 7 is how you can be using a guess and check method for your left side to equal your right side. Hope this helps.